everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called COVID-19. What does it mean? So this is a book about COVID-19 or the lockdown that's happening right now, today. A children's writing book about the coronavirus. What is coronavirus? What is COVID-19? I can hear, taste, smell, or touch it. It can't even be seen. Where did it come from? How did it all begin? Well, let's find Wuhan, China. It's just south of Beijing. It all started in a market where they sell lots of food to eat, where there are many fresh items. In this space where the invisible germs waited patiently to act. They jumped from one spot to another, and the humans they attacked. The germs are very tiny. They move super quick, a group of sneaks who got people very sick. At first there weren't many, but now there's quite a lot. They spread around the world with every evil plot. So what can we do to make this solution better? Well, we can solve that problem if we work together. It's probably not much fun to stay inside at home all day, but if we do our part, soon we'll go out and play. We need to wash our hands to get those yucky germs right off, because if we forget, we might get a terrible cough. We need to keep some distance because no one really knows who has these tiny germs stuck on their body or their clothes. Social distance 6 feet away from each other. But just because we're apart doesn't mean we're all alone. We could see one another with a computer or a phone. We have lots and lots of heroes who are working day and night trying super hard to make everything all right. Or maybe like doctors. You can see doctors, nurses. Soon this will all be over. We'll hug family and friends, but this must wait a little longer till this all comes to an end. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!